Lift Detox Black, really efficient to lose weight? Discover now. If you're watching this video, it's because you're looking for an effective and healthy way to lose weight quickly. So stick with me until the end, as I'm here today to discuss Lift Detox Black and provide some important warnings to ensure you don't waste your money on this product. Before proceeding, if at the end of the video you feel the need for more information, I included the link to the official website and left a warning from Anvisa about Lift Detox caps in the description below. Just access the description to find the link. Now, let's understand what Lift Detox Black is. It is a 100% natural supplement, that is, without the presence of chemical components in its formula. It was developed especially to help people who want to lose weight in a healthy and fast way using only natural ingredients such as vitamins, nutrients, and proteins of plant origin. The purpose of Lift Detox Black is to accelerate metabolism, regulate the intestine, reduce appetite, control the desire to consume sweets, provide more energy and disposition throughout the day, in addition to offering an effect similar to that of bariatric surgery. All of this can be achieved just by taking Lift Detox Black daily. So yes, the product really works as long as you follow the treatment correctly. Although it may seem like a magic formula, it is important to highlight that it is not magic. You must follow the program as instructed. And to clarify, Lift Detox Black is entirely composed of natural ingredients. Proper treatment with Lift Detox Black, guaranteed results. To achieve satisfactory results, it is crucial to follow the treatment correctly using the product daily. The minimum recommended period is 3 months, but for those looking to lose more than 10 kilograms, the complete treatment extends to 6 months. Therefore, it is essential to carry out the treatment completely to guarantee more significant results. By adhering to the treatment consistently and completely, I am sure you will see the desired results. Some people already report significant changes in the first 3 weeks. So considering we still have time until the end of the year, there is an opportunity to reach your weight loss goals. It is important to highlight that each organism works in a unique way, so results may vary from person to person. For this reason, the minimum treatment is stipulated at 3 months. If you still have doubts about the effectiveness of the product, know that Lift Detox Black offers a 30-day guarantee. This guarantee allows you to test Lift Detox Black for 1 month. If for any reason you are not satisfied or do not see results, simply go to the official website and request a full refund of your money. Therefore, you do not take any financial risk when trying the product. It is worth mentioning that, as it is 100% natural, Lift Detox Black has no contraindications or side effects. Anyone can incorporate Lift Detox Black into their weight loss regimen. However, I would like to share an important warning. Make sure you only purchase Lift Detox Black from trusted sources and the official website to ensure the authenticity of the product. Attention to authenticity: buy only on the official Lift Detox Black website. It is essential to highlight that Lift Detox Black is available exclusively on the manufacturer's official website. Therefore, avoid purchasing it in pharmacies, health food stores, or other websites, as there is a risk of buying a fake product. The only reliable place to purchase is the official website. To make things easier, I left the direct link to the official website in the description of this video. This is the only authorized link for purchasing Lift Detox Black. Do not trust other places that may offer the product, as it may be a counterfeit version. Your safety is a priority, so be very careful and avoid purchasing Lift Detox Black anywhere other than the official website. This information is crucial to ensure you get the genuine product and enjoy the promised benefits. I hope this information has been useful. Enjoy the video and remember that all detailed information can be found on the official Lift Detox Black website.